it's Keiauna and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be going to Guadalajara in Mexico and we're actually leaving tomorrow, so I definitely need to pack today. I'm really excited. I have a lot of stuff to pack. We're gonna be there for a week, so Monday to Monday, the 21st through the 28th. It's gonna be really hot. Oh, by the way, I cut my hair if you guys didn't see my last video. Is it my last video? Yeah. This is gonna be the weather. As you can see, it's kind of, I'm not like a weather person. So yeah, as you can see, it's gonna be in the 80s and then it's gonna be like storming or thundering. I don't really know. I have all my outfits laid out already and I like tried all my outfits on, so I already know, just so I don't have to like waste time with that for you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and start packing and show you guys everything that I'm bringing. Let's go ahead and get started with this video because this is gonna be a lot of stuff to do. This is the bag I'm gonna be using. My stepdad actually told me that I can use this because this is his. Got this on Amazon. I'm not sure what it's called or what it is. It opens up into this thing. Your shoes over here, and then like if you are like packing for like something fancy, you could put like a dress or something and hang it. You could put stuff in the compartments, and I don't know. It's just like a lot of like little nifty little things in here. So let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, so these are all of the clothes I'm bringing. My PJs are back there, so probably thinking, this is insane. This is a lot of outfits. Yeah, I know. I'm bringing this jacket, so I'm going to wear that for the plane tomorrow. And then this is what I'm also wearing tomorrow for the plane, just like a black tank top and some leggings. But yeah, it is a lot of clothes. I still need to pack shoes and then like my other like toiletries and stuff like that. So I think I'm only gonna be bringing 1, 2, 3 pairs of shoes. So it's really not gonna be that, maybe 4. Yeah, I think I'm gonna bring 4 pairs of shoes, 2 shoes and 2 sandals. So now I'm gonna start to put everything in this bag. Okay, that was really hard to stuff everything in there, but I got it. Some things at Target the other day that I want to show you guys, just like little mini essentials. I put it in this like little clear bag. I don't know where I even got this. I got these toothbrushes, one for me and then one for Chris. Also got us 2 little mini toothpaste. I also just got a new mascara because I needed a new one. I got Chris a little mini deodorant. These makeup removers. I actually never tried these before, so hopefully I like them. A little mini dry shampoo. Last thing I got is Dramamine. So basically I've been having Dramamine forever. This is for motion sickness. That is all that I got from Target. I'm gonna basically just pack my purse and just see what I want to bring. Everything packed, so I have my outfit for tomorrow for the plane ride. I have my bag, which I don't know how I'm gonna carry this. Also putting it up in the plane, good thing I have Chris for that because I don't have the muscles for that. Tomorrow, once I like get my chargers and everything, like my computer charger, I'll just like put it in this little compartment right here. Ooh, that was so stressful. I have been dreading doing that for at least a week now. But yeah, everything is packed. I'm ready to go for tomorrow. Leave it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe down below. I post my videos every single Wednesday on my channel, so go ahead and click that bell to be notified for when I post. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in next Wednesday's video. Bye, my loves.